Hi everyone, here we've got HUAWEI MatePad T10s, and let me show you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, we have to find and open our contact list, and now let's choose the one you want to edit. So let's tap on it and tap on this edit icon. Here we have to tap on the camera icon, and now we can either take a photo and your device will open the camera app. So this is actually the best situation if you've got the person right in front of you, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. So I will pick this option, and now let's tap on the one you want to use. If you're ready, tap on the stick icon, and now we have to adjust the size of the photo just like you want, and place it in the circle, because this is the area which will be saved. So let's position it just like you want, for example something like this. And if you're ready and happy with the results, just tap on the stick icon again. Remember to tap on tick icon again, and as you can see, our photo has been successfully added to the contact. So actually that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your HUAWEI MatePad T10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.